Right, to spray the side lamps, I can choose either the clear lacquer, Halfords, they're about £7.99, something like that. That dries hard within a couple of minutes, 5 minutes hard. This one takes much longer, a couple of hours, 2-3 hours, and it's still a bit tacky. But this one here, I sprayed on one of my wheels that I did, and after 6 months it started peeling off, right? So not good. And when it peeled off, it was slightly grey, like a grey kind of plasticky, tough plastic. It was brittle, right? But fast drying. So when I redid my wheels on my Honda, I didn't use this at all. I use this heavy duty, because I noticed on one of the wheels I sprayed on, it was high summer, sprayed on it still took 2 or 3 hours just to become even tacky, right? The thing is, the wheel I use this on, absolutely perfect. Didn't actually, in fact I put another layer of this on it and this peeled away, but it left that, and it was shiny, it was still tough, it was flexible. So this is a flexible finish. This is a much longer dry, so I'm going to choose this one, thick layer on, spraying into the gaps. I'll show you in a second, and masked it with this paper and this tape, which I really like. This paper I got from Toolstation. It's obvious where I got these from. A couple of quid for that, and a couple of quid for the one roll of this. Much better than mask kit, much better. Won't affect your paintwork. It's called Pro Deck Advanced. At the moment it's only £2 for a 550 metre roll. Really good. Really masked really well. It doesn't leak. It's meant to be leak proof. So I'll put a description of what I'm going to use, but I'm just going to flip it around, and I might as well just show you, because I'm just going to do it. So I've masked areas where I thought in the future, if I was to try and take that bit off, I was going to get difficulty. I've decided not to leave a gap. Here is here where I want to reach in, and there's quite a big gap there. I'm just going to go spray across, and hopefully it'll get right to the top, and then a nice layer around. So I've actually, the way I've taped it is taped it on the actual indicator itself around here. I don't really need it. There'll be an edge, but it doesn't really matter. But here, where an edge might be more noticeable, it doesn't really matter anyway. Because I want to maybe be able to take this off. So anywhere there's a very close edge, a gap, very small gap, I've taped it up to the indicator itself. When there's a big gap, I've just left it, so hopefully it'll go in. Now remember, before it goes completely dry, make sure you remove it off. In fact, by the time I've sprayed one whole thickish layer on, especially near the top, especially near the top, one layer on, I'm going to remove all of this straight away, in case when it dries, you don't want it sticking to it. So just remind myself, heavy duty lacquer, not using silver paint. I'm going to test it. Oh, shake it. If you want to watch me shake it, I'll shake it, spray down, and when you finish with it, turn it upside down, spray it out. So I'm pretty sure I'm not using silver paint or anything dumb like that, because you never know. It's very cold. I might make a mistake. Really lots of shake. I wouldn't use this on, I mean it's getting low, I would use it on areas like this. I don't think I would use this on wheels. So all areas covered. I'm going to spray out. Right, it's coming out. To use my face mask. Safety first. Using one of these, because I don't want that in our lungs. I'm just going to do it in one take. I'm not going to cut this because my camera is playing up in the cold. Right, my take funny enough. I'm thinking. You don't want this stuff in your lungs, you don't know what kind of damage it could do. Do the same old kind of movement. I'm going to go around like this. I'll sit there. Right, bubbles a little bit, it doesn't matter. Now look what a good idea it was to mask it. You would have never been able to, look, not even got them around here, see? So never would have been able to avoid touching any of the paint, it would have been bubbly. It was a really good idea. There's a bit of a hole in there. That may not have been so good, but I don't think anything went up here. All this area, yes, came in handy, see it? Even all the way down to there. So don't go, can't be too careful, right? And it's not going to soak through. In fact, because it's such a thick, no, it's not going to soak through. I'm just going to take it all off now. Take it away. Take it away. Really tacky stuff, just stuck it on the floor, not anywhere near you. Put it away. Because this stuff you've got, it might, might be on the paper and then fall back onto your paint. Put it away, chuck it on the floor. That way. Your hands are getting tacky. Stuff this. Your hands are not tacky and touching the car. Alright. Well, dry, it's kind of rainy, but I think it will be alright tonight. Take it away, don't even put it anywhere near the car. And so this is my taping pattern. As I've just gone around the edges. See that? Pull away, don't pull towards. Pull away. That's how it just comes off. Perfectly done. Leaves no residue. I can pull the paint off. It's all done. It's a leak proof. Alright. That's good. Alright, please hit the like button, make a comment, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed.